So today I'm showing you guys how to do a simple ombre airbrush technique, illusion, trend, nail art. I don't know what to call it, but this is it. So first you're gonna do a simple ombre with the airbrush. If you've ever used an airbrush, you will know that ombres are the easiest thing to do with these airbrushes and they save you a bunch of time, and this is the result that you're gonna get. Now we're gonna layer this with a clear coat just to make sure that we have a protective layer in case our design were to get ruined. We would be able to wipe everything off without wiping off the ombre. We will be wiping this layer off. You never want to paint on top of a sticky or wet layer because the gel will start spreading, causing the lines not to be solid. With the same color that you used as the base, you're gonna paint a thick line down the middle. We will also be protecting this layer with another clear coat. So this is where the design gets cool. You're gonna grab the same color that you used for the first airbrush ombre and do another ombre at the top, but pretty much just focusing on that thick line that you just painted. So this is why that protection layer comes in so handy. Now you're gonna clean the sides with acetone, and as you can see, none of the other colors get messed up, none of the ombres get compromised, and you're able to maneuver and play around. And if you were to completely mess up, you can just wipe everything off and start all over again. And now time for your final top coat and you're done. That's it. You have a super cool nail that you can try on yourself, try on your clients, try with your airbrush if you've never used that before. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to keep seeing more videos like this. I'll be releasing them once a week.